Oh snap, guys, guess what we picked up? Yes sir, we got a pressure washer in this bit. We finally were able to get one. We've been looking for one for a minute now. My girl has been telling me let's get a pressure washer, a brand new one, because we had this one right here, right? We had an electric one, but we needed a gas one because the way our cars be getting dirty, this electric one was not it. And it was not strong enough to get the gunk out. I'm about to show you guys the SI and how it looks as well, and why this one doesn't work for what we like to do, you know, or how we like to clean our cars. So we were able to pick this one up at a local yard sale right down the street. And we were able to get it for 260 bucks. And we've also had this foam cannon that my girl bought as well. Like years ago. And we're finally gonna put it in use because we finally got a nice pressure washer that has the little adjuster and the little extender to put the foam cannon on. So you excited? I finally got you your pressure washer?
You finally got it for me. I've been asking for this for years.
She has been asking for it for a minute. But since we had that one and we take it to our car wash, I wasn't really stressing. But then this year I really started looking. And we even went to Home Depot yesterday and we were about to get a Ryobi one, or we were looking at one, but they wanted 400 bucks or so. And this one, retail value on this one is like 370 or something like that, almost 400 you could say. And we were able to get it for 260, so we're like, yo, we gotta jump on it. So I already put some oil on it. We put fresh gas. So all we gotta do is just hook up the hose and then test it out. So I'm about to show you guys how the SI looks right now and why that electric one doesn't work for us no more. And we need this bad boy. So look at this, guys. So I be taking my girl's car to work and I be taking my car to work. And where I work is in a quarry. So my car be getting super filthy with gravel and like a bunch of built up. So that pressure washer that I had was not cutting it. So look at this, guys. You can't even read the license plate. But yeah, bro, it looks like I drove through freaking salt from the winter and stuff. Look at that. Or it could be a different paint job, you know, two-toned. Suck. That joint is just dirty. And I be taking my girl's car here and there, so her car be getting dirty as well. Look at that. So you see all this gunk built up? It's hard for that little electric pressure washer to get it out. So this new one is gonna do its job, guys. Super good, super good. I'm excited to try it out. Excited to try out the foam cannon. And yeah, we're gonna record a video of washing the cars just so you guys can see how good this pressure washer works. Tell me the SI is not dirty, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so hard. We got cars coming. About to get hit. We about to get hit. Suck. But yo, that SI is filthy. Speed is not too filthy. But we might wash the RSX and the Integra in the back. But I'm just excited, bro. I be getting lazy sometimes to go to the car wash. And that's why I haven't even washed the SI. And plus, I take it to work. If I wash it, let's say Sunday, and I take it to work Monday, it's gonna come back like if I haven't washed it in a whole week. So I'd be getting lazy to wash this or take it to the car wash. So now, should be getting more car washes more frequently. Yeah, look at the speed too from the back. I'm fucking up these cars. So I need to get myself another daily for the daily. So yeah, man. But yeah, hopefully I can get myself a little truck soon, little single cab jump, and then I would rock that to work. And yeah, but the Integra is dirty too. I did take it to work one day and it did get covered in some gravel, but also there's a lot of dust and stuff. Damn, who was getting dirty here? Look at the two hands. You see that? Who was getting freaky in the RSX? But yeah, guys, we'll get back to you guys when we're washing the whips. And then yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. As you guys can see, we are testing out the new pressure washer. Take a look at this. This removes everything. Look at that. Look at this hard gunk right here. And the other one that we had didn't remove some of it. So we're gonna clean off all the dust and grime first, and then we're gonna throw some soap, a foam cannon. Hopefully it comes out good. That looks so good. Oh snap, guys. The SI is looking super mint, super clean. Look at this. I don't know, I didn't tell you guys, but I did get a new window tint, and I don't think I've washed the SI since I've gotten this window tinted. But hell yeah, look at this. Looking good. We're about to start on the speed, and then we'll see if we wash these two cars just to give them a quick little foam cannon wash. And then yeah, guys, I'm excited. If you guys can hear me, this pressure washer is putting in work. I like it a lot, and it's gonna help me with, you know, cleaning the brick and siding and then the deck. So this thing is gonna come in handy, guys. But boom, look at that side jump. Beautiful. Got my girl Tiffany washing it real quick while I did a little recording, but it's looking beautiful, guys. And I came to the side already too. Come look at this. I'm all ready to look. Yeah, we had dried that side and everything already.
How'd you do that? Psych, he got me wet already too.
It's starting to snow.
Yeah, guys, and just like that, the SI and the speed are all washed up. Doesn't even seem like the SI was dirty how I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Man, they look so good, so different, and I'm happy. The pressure washer worked good. We even put tire shine on the windows, on the wheels, because you know that's what makes the cars look complete. Putting some nice tire shine, nice finish to it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us washing the cars with the new pressure washer. Hell yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned because we got more content coming for y'all. I'm over here pulling up to work. I just wanted to show you guys why the SI and speed and the cars I bring to work don't stay clean, because I have to be driving through this gravel road every day and sometimes throughout the night as well. You hear that? Boom, look at how much dust that truck is making. So where I leave my car, bro, this junk will be getting dirty. So I'm about to show you the exterior on how clean it looks, and then I'm gonna show you guys the outside when it's done. So I mean when I'm out of work, and see if it got dirty throughout this day that I brought it. But look at all these piles of gravel, guys. Boom. and we have to drive all the way down because we work all the way over here in the asphalt plant. So yeah, here we go. We're pulling up to the trucks, and then yeah, I'm about to show you guys the outside. Boom! Look at how clean the SI is looking. Hell yeah, guys. That junk is clean, man. I love this car so much. But right now on my way to work, this caliper was starting to seize up, bro. This junk was fucking smoking. So we might do a video on that. We'll see. It's pretty fairly easy, so I'm gonna probably do that when I get back home. But yeah, look at that side, guys. So let's see if it gets dirty by the time we get out of work. And look, guys, we drive these dump trucks. Mine is that red Peterbilt right there. Boom, look at that. A 379. So yeah, I want to like get a GoPro and do and put a GoPro on my head and show y'all what it's like driving this junk. Man, guys, I am excited to bring you guys these type of trucking content. For now, I just have my phone, holding my phone up with my head, just so I can see what kind of point of view we would be able to do. But yeah, guys, there's a side jump. So yeah, guys, I'm excited to get you guys content with this jump. But yeah, guys, look at this. I'm excited to get you guys content of trucking. This shit is fun, and I think you guys will enjoy this. But bet, guys, I'm gonna get back to you guys later throughout the day. And we got an 18 speed, but right now I'm driving in like a 13 because I'm not loaded, and it moves quicker like this. But yeah, say we'll get back to y'all. Boom. Should we put y'all back on this angle of the forehead? We're back to the yard after a couple hours. I'd say like 7-8 hours. And yeah, let's see if that side's dirty so you guys can see that it did get dirty. But yeah, we're pulling up to the yard right now. Let's give it a downshift. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Another one. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, let's get it. She a little dusty. We're about to walk outside and show y'all the inside down. Yo, you guys thought I was playing. Look at this Mercedes, guys. Filthy. Man, look at that. It just gets dirty here, guys. Like super dirty. Let's walk up to the side and see how that junk looking. Love how that junk looks. It's not too dirty, to be honest. You can see a light little layer of dust though, so imagine that times 4 days. Damn, man. Ain't no way. This shit was just clean. Damn it, I'm sick, bro. I thought I wasn't gonna be this dirty. But yeah, look at that. But fuck it, you know what can we do? We gotta come to work. Boom. Well, guys, that is gonna be it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked that little bit of trucking that I added. And yeah, stay tuned for the next videos that are coming up. And yeah, thank you guys for showing love and support like always. And give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. All right, peace out, guys. We'll see you in the next video.